What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Wes, Human Crack in the Flesh, and this is Kicks from Wes. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell notification so you'll be notified when I post videos. If you like this video, slap that like button. It does help out the channel, and I would appreciate it. And comment down in the comment section. From the thumbnail, you already see what it is. You see what shoe that I got, and I just so happen to get these for under retail on Air Max Day, man. And I got these through Google Express. First time shopping through Google Express, and in the back of my mind, only thing I'm thinking is, I hope these shoes is really coming from Nike, and they really did come from Nike. I already crack the box open, and I'm going to show you guys the receipt and all that, so in a minute. But before we get to those shoes, I had another package come in the mail yesterday, and I wanted to wait until these shoes came in the mail today to add this into the video just to show you guys. Now, in this box here is a t-shirt from a fellow YouTuber by the name of Zaya X. If you don't know who Zaya is, I'll leave his channel down in the description. You can go check him out. And this is a t-shirt that he made. It is called a Kick Addiction. A Kick Addiction, man. So this is a very dope tee, man. And when I seen it, had to have it. So here you go, right here. Check it out, check it out. And now you can see why the name of the shirt is A Kick Addiction. So you got all your different shoes, and it's supposed to be in the transformation of pills, and you know how the whole thing with people and pills and all that. We're not gonna get into all that, but you get the concept of the t-shirt. So you know, I don't know if he still got them in stock. Like I said, I will leave his YouTube channel down in the description. You can go check him out. I'm pretty sure he got all his Instagram information, all that over on his channel. So if you want to cop one of these t-shirts, man, and this shirt was, how much was this shirt? $20? I think I paid $25 with shipping, whatever. So very affordable. You know what I mean? Dope t-shirt. Zaya, shout out to you, my guy. And yeah, man, looking forward to seeing whatever dope designs and t-shirts that you bring out in the future as well. So, without further ado, man, let's get into this unboxing, man. Here go the box. I got size 11. Because 10.5 is too snug, and 11.5 is just too big, and these shoes look funny on my feet when you go up to 11.5. So, 11 fit just right. But, all black, Air Max 720 box. Nike on this side. Check out the graphics and all that. You can see. You feel me? Suggested retail price was $180. I got $20 off. I did not pay $180, so that's right. I appreciate that. Now, like I told you, I didn't already open this package because I was curious to see. And here go the Nike box. Bang, bang. See the tape and all that. Let's check out the quality control stamp inside the box so you can see that as well. Bang, bang. You got one right there. Another one right there. White tissue paper with the black writing and all that. I'll do it to the receipt. Here go the receipt. For all the receipt, please. And say, you ain't buy that from Nike. That's not real. Wow. Air Max 720 all black colorway, man. Set that right there. Could not go wrong with all black. You also got a hint of gray on the toe box area with the black Nike check. All black outer sole. For your midsole, there's another black Nike check with the huge, gigantic air bubble all the way around this thing here, man. Going to your back. On that pull tab, another white Nike check, and you got 270 here on the booty. Focus on the 270, 720. Don't kill me, y'all. Don't kill me. Bang, bang. Moving to the other side of the shoe, you got a gray patch right here with this black trim going around it. That's dope. For your tongue, you got Air Max in gray, black ring around. For your insole, Air Max in that white writing. Yeah, man, I couldn't wait for Shoe Palace no more. And when I typed these in the computer and I was like Google Express, I was like, let me just see what it's about. And it was $20 off on Air Max Day. And that's unfortunate that we ain't getting no shoes dropped on Air Max Day. But hey, I was able to get these for under retail in the size that I wanted them in. Wasn't trying to be out here with crunch feet with the snug fit with a size 10.5. And I wasn't trying to have a size 11.5 for these things look all oompa loompa on me as well too. But yeah, man, glad to add these to the collection. Just know that there will be an update video down the line months from now that I will do about the shoe, letting you guys know how do I feel about the shoe, the likes and the dislikes about the shoe, man. Down in the comment section, let me know how you feel about this shoe. You know, is this on your radar? If so, what colorway are you looking to buy? You know, and is you just waiting for that right sale? I think today I seen, I got a post for that aqua blue slash colorway. I think I seen those on sale for like $139 if I'm not mistaken. Today is Tuesday. This video will be out a little bit later on this evening, probably late tonight, late Tuesday night or whatever the case may be. But yeah, man, check out these shoes once again. Happy to add these to the collection. Definitely going to wear the hell out of this shoe, get a lot of wear out of it because it's all black. You cannot be all black. This go with anything. This is very easy to match. Nothing hard whatsoever. Cannot go wrong with all black, man. So, that is going to be pretty much it for this review right here. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And like I stated before, if you want to help the channel out, slap the like button, man. And I would appreciate it. Until the next video, everybody stay fresh, stay blessed. It's your boy Wes, Human Crack in the Flesh. And this is Kicks from Wes. And I'm out. On Foot is up next. Peace.